Welcome back to another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today in Cincinnati, Ohio. It is a beautiful morning in Eden Park, and right behind me is the Victory Parkway Bridge. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it. The Victory Parkway Bridge was built in 1917 to replace a truss bridge and to provide a more pleasing view as you enter Eden Park. Although the bridge isn't anything to write home about while driving along from above, the real beauty is of the architecture from below. The bridge, which is 472 feet, spans Kemper Lane and was rehabilitated in 1939 when cantilevered sidewalks and balustrades were added. Reinforced concrete open spandrel arch bridges like this were popular in the 1920s and 30s due to their attractive looks and cost-saving material designs. The bridge is a favorite in the Cincinnati area and the backdrop for many scenic pictures on the east side of town. An interesting side note, Victory Parkway was originally known as Bloody Run Boulevard. Several different stories are given to the name of the road, but the most popular one is that a slaughterhouse was once located along the roadway, hence Bloody Run Boulevard. However, the name was changed to Victory Parkway by the Cincinnati Park Board in 1921. Thank you for watching another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck, here today in Cincinnati, Ohio, with the Victory Parkway Bridge right behind me. Hope you enjoyed your time with us and learned a little something. Remember, travel slowly and stop often. Bye for now.